Today I am making my special omelette for my mum and dad.
I am going to make pancakes because it is pancake day.
I'm making chicken captain curry.
First you need 1 cup of milk.
Right now I'm dipping the chicken into the flour. You pick up 1 egg using the knife. You crack the egg.
And a cup of flour.
These are some I did earlier, so I'm going to put them into the pan.
I want to attempt a Baby Yoda pancake.
Inside the eggs will be spices. I'm taking them out now.
This is the result that you should get.
Now it's flipped and it's ready to be served.
And serve it with nice crusty bread.